Hey, Lillard Valley Community Family. I'm transplanting some sweet peppers today, and this will be a very short video. I already have started. So, okay, what we have here, sweet peppers. I'm gonna move these over. Broccoli king, sun king haven't came up yet. But we do have some sweet peppers. It's coming up now. Sweet peppers, Jupiter, and I'm transplanting these little guys over here in this high-rise bed. So, still pick some of the lettuce out of here this morning, and so she cleared it out. She threw those away. In this area here, you got some shade in the morning from that magnolia tree there. So that should provide some shade for these sweet peppers. And we also have some onions here and a little lettuce plant. But it's getting ready to get up into 90 degrees here in zone 10, even though it's March. Next week we'll have a couple of cool days, I think 70 degrees, 50 at night for about 2 days. And then eventually we won't be seeing no more 60s. It'll be 70 something at night and 95 during the day. So we got until what's this March, April, May. So we'll see what these green peppers, sweet peppers, do in this area here. So I'll be putting them out. I'll be putting them out here. Let's see. So it's not really much to put them out. I got my cell phone. I'm filming on my cell phone today. And also we have some garden beans, Kentucky Wonder garden beans. So we're gonna try these in this area right here. We don't want to do too much. We're gonna be kind of busy on the property for the next few months out there. And this is in the backyard, but we're doing some work over there, not property. Lillard Valley Community Garden. And so I don't want to get too busy, but I'm gonna put some of these in the ground. And also I did transplant some, let's see here. I did transplant some of the larger peppers. You see these peppers here? There's peppers coming on. So I removed some of these from the bag, the grow bags. Got some out of here from the grow bag. And I placed them over here in this high rise. Notice we do have a pepper coming along there. So these should do good until all the way up until next freeze we have in December or January, next January, probably 2027. These peppers should do great all summer long until the next freeze we have in January 2027. So we expect to see these peppers do well. Now, this lettuce here, Georgia Southern cabbage, and these are mustards. I said lettuce, but these are mustards. And so we moved them over into the shade. So these mustard will be over in the shade, and the collard greens, I'm going to move those over by the bench over there. Notice tomato plants, they withered a little. I got to keep water on them every day. Didn't have time to water those this morning, but they're somewhat in the shade, so they should do good mostly all summer long. Those tomatoes survived the winter freeze that we had last month. It's amazing. So I'm going to move all of this. See this collard greens here, Georgia Southern collard greens. I'm going to move these over into the shade. And they'll last a little while longer. Also these plants here, the mustards, and also you have a collard green here. I'm going to move those over into a shaded area as well. Notice our onions, Texas uh, Legend onions, sweet onions are doing great. And you notice by the fence here, I do have sweet pepper right here along this fence. Just got to do some weeding. The weeds are growing like crazy right now, but those are not in the pots. That's why I said I enjoy uh, the grow bags because you don't have the weeds. Look at this. Onions, no weeds. Onions, no weeds. Then containers. Not in the container, you have these peppers. See, the weeds are growing around the peppers. That's why I don't like really putting them in the ground, because you got the weeds to deal with. So, but the onions are doing great. And these are potatoes. They're doing great as well. Potatoes are doing great. Okay. So, that's what I'm doing today. I wasn't going to video, but I'll do a short video. Because sometimes on the property, I was working last week. I really didn't have, I was working so hard, sweating, and the sun beaming down on me while I was putting the fence up. I actually didn't have the energy to film, to do the complete video, because the sun was beaming down on me here in Central Florida. I tell you, and you're using all of your energy just to get the fence post in the ground. So I'm gonna try to do a little filming out there tomorrow. When I get out there tomorrow, I'm supposed to be out there early in the morning, around 7 o'clock a.m. at sunrise. Sunrise could probably come up about 7:35 on the property, but I'll be out there. I'm gonna try to get that fence completely up. Sister Ruby may be out there to help me, but I want to get it up tomorrow because we want to get the tractor going and start doing some things with the tractor. Especially, I know 2 days next week is going to be really nice here. So if I want to do it in a bush hogging, I want to do that on those 2 cool days. I think it's Tuesday and Wednesday. So we want that tractor moving out. Okay. Well, anyway, so I'm going to try to do some video out there tomorrow down at the property. Well, I get back with you after I get these sweet peppers in the ground. I'm going to get back with you then. So stick with us. Okay, everyone. I got the peppers in the ground, sweet peppers. Also, I planted some beans, different types of beans, seeds we had left over that I don't want to throw them away. So right now I'm going to put a little fertilizer on the transplants. And let's see here. Okay, we're going to put a little fertilizer on them. Over here you got I planted some beets in this corner here. Some beans here. See what they do. Okay, I'm going to put a little fertilizer. Okay. Shaking the camera. My left hand is placing the fertilizer in the containers. For some reason my right hand was shaking as well. Well, anyway, peppers here. We planted the peppers back in this corner. A little fertilizer here. Transplanted these as well. They should do great in this corner here. Woo! Sweating already. I wasn't supposed to work today. I guess you can call that work. Anyway, let's see here. Sweating. Busy day tomorrow. So that's about it for this short video for today. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye-bye.